Howdy folks, we're back at 931 and we are running a mini for Spencer's 24 figure lot. I got 40 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random here in just a second. Looks like the top 4 win spots in the main. Going to paste them in there. There they are, 1 through 40. Going to roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. We got a 6er. We're good to go. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Phil in the top spot for our first round. Robert, round 2. David, round 3. Phil, round 4. Todd, round 5. And our winners are Todd, David, and Walter Peterson. Congrats, guys. Here's the verification and official results. RCUYMS. There it is. I'm done. And 932. There she is. Again, here's the official results and the winners. Congrats, guys. See you next time.